Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to use this image as my reference image. Let's look the first layer and create a new layer. Let's give it a name. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to go with the pencil tool. I know most of you guys don't like to use pencil tool, but you open this video because you would like to draw vector art or vector portrait. So without pencil tool guys, I don't think so it's going to be easy. It will take more and more time, like if you use pen tool or something like that. But most of you have to use every tool, yeah, but pencil tool is very fast. So once you understand things with pencil tool, you're gonna love it. Before I start, I will show a few things about pencil tool. I will show my pencil tool settings first. You can see I take this option, fill now pencil strokes. It means guys, after you start to draw an object, when you're done, after you press again, it will start as a new stroke. You see, you cannot change the old one. So what you need to do, you need to remove this tick. Now it's work like this. Just think you draw this object. Okay, now you want to change this part. Now you're gonna draw again. You see, yeah, I'll show you one more time. Okay, right, I think you got the point. Just don't ignore pencil tool guys, it's very useful tool. You will understand in the future with the pencil tool. After you get used to with mouse, it will be a huge bonus for your career. For this tutorial guys, we need to draw part by part. Just as example, just think you need to draw here, but just try to draw part by part. Don't draw as a one unit. When you use this effect, it will help you to more control. Add a color on it. Just don't try to be perfectly drawn. Just this is your art, you can do whatever you want. No one going to blame you or laugh at you. So I know it's hard to draw with mouse in early days, but after you draw few hours, it will get used to you. Here I will use shape builder tool. Select both parts and grab the shape builder, and let's make it's one part. Let's change the color. Okay, let's draw beard. Just give me a second, I will draw those parts very quickly. Let's draw this part as well. Let's create a new layer for the glass. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a copy from my reference image, and I will lock the first layer. and I will select this part and go to effect, stylize, scribble. Now guys, I cannot say this is the number you need to put exactly, just depend what you are going to draw. So change the angle, stroke with variation, just try to change them. But I need to say one more thing. When you change numbers, you need to press the control key and change the numbers. It will change decimal points. In this case guys, I think I did a mistake because with this reference image I cannot see clearly what's going on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new layer, and I will copy this image. You can hide now, you can hide the image. See, okay, now we got to go. I will show you one more time about this scribble effect. So let's go. Before I do that, I think I need to use shape builder tool. Okay, now select this part, go to effect, stylize, scribble. Change the values, angles, especially guys, you want to change the angle and stroke weight. After you change the angle, most of the time I normally change stroke width and variation. So guys, now you know how to add scribble effect. So I'm going to add this effect for other part as well. So I'm going to speed up. By the way guys, in the future I'm going to create more tutorial about vector portrait. So guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and stay with me. When you change the value of scribble effect, it will take a bit more time to understand you, but you will be perfect. Just keep practice. After you create those kind of vector art, I recommend you to sell them at like go to Adobe stock or Shutterstock, something like that, and try to sell them. Who knows, it will make few dollars for you, and it will make you encourage as well. Upload those kind of image, those kind of design you practice, and let's see what happens. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more details. Okay guys, now we have finished with the draw. So guys, if you think you learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that like button. So stay with me guys, I will show more tips and tricks about vector portraits in the future. Thank you for watching my video. So stay safe guys. Peace.